Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Jobber for your cleaning business, even if you're a complete beginner. So yeah, Jobber is one of the best business management tools for cleaning companies. It helps you schedule jobs, manage clients, send codes, create invoices, and get paid all in one platform. All right. So first, let's understand what Jobber is. So basically, Jobber is a field service management software designed for service businesses like house cleaning, commercial cleaning, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, and many other home service businesses. So instead of managing everything manually, Jobber helps you organize your daily operations in one place. Okay, so now the first step is creating your Jobber account. So all you need to do is you just have to open any of your web browser. That's right. And then you just have to search for Jobber. Okay, and then once you've found the website, you just have to click on it. Okay, and then I just have to sign up for an account after that. Now, after logging in, you will arrive at the dashboard where you can manage your clients, your jobs. All right, so this is your dashboard section. And of course, your invoices and your schedule. So you have that right here, your request, your codes, your jobs, your invoices, and today's appointment section, and the business performance. So you have that right here. So you just have to take a few minutes to explore the dashboard before moving on. All right. So of course, here at the left side, we also have here our homepage, schedule section, clients, request, codes, jobs, and many more. So let's try to tap on the request section. So if you don't have a request yet, you just have to create your very first request. So just simply tap on the new request option. That's right. And then I just have to input here the details. All right. So let me just go back here to our dashboard. Now, the second thing that we are going to do here is to add your clients. Okay, so you just have to go here at the left side and you have this icon. So this is the client's icon. So all you have to do is to tap on it. And then as you can see at the top right, you have the new client option. So all you have to do is to tap on the new client. Okay, and then I just have to enter the information such as the client name, the phone number, email address, the property address, the notes, or the cleaning preferences. So keeping the client information organized makes it easier to schedule your future appointments. So you have your title, first name, the last name section, the company name, and then for communications, we have email and phone number. That's right. And then their property address. After that, you just have to tap on the Save Client option at the bottom. Okay, next is creating a code. Now, before starting a job, you can send a professional code. Okay, so just click on the codes section or the codes icon. So you have that right here at the left side again. So tap on it. Okay, so you just have to create a new one. As you can see, you can start from a template with example line items or create a new code with tailored subscriptions. Okay, so it's up to you. You can also import code data right here in this section. So I'm just going to create a new one. That's right. Now, you just have to add the cleaning services you are offering. So, set your prices and send the code directly to your clients. So, you just have to add here the title of your cleaning services, like for example, home service, window cleaning service, or something like that. And of course, once the client's approved, you can quickly convert it into a scheduled job. So just have to tap on the save code option. So make sure that you input here all of the information for your code. So the product and service, we have here the name, the quantity, the unit price, the total price, and you have that right here. And then if you would like to add in attachments, images, client message, you can also do that right here. So after that, you just have to save your code. Now the next one is to schedule a cleaning jobs. Okay, so you just have to go to the schedule section and choose the date and your time. So you just simply tap on this schedule icon at the left side. All right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then here you can customize your schedule. Okay, so let me just tap on continue and then finish. So right here, just have to assign the job to yourself or one of your team members. Okay, and Jobber's calendars makes it easy to see your daily, weekly, or monthly schedule so you can avoid double bookings. So for example, you have an appointment on on Tuesday, that's June 23. All right, and then for example, we have job, request, task, or event. Okay, for example, job. So you just have to search the client or address. So if you don't have a client yet, so you can also add that right here. So you have to add here the title of the job, the instructions, the line item, and who will be assigned to this job, and your schedules. That's right. And then you just have to tap on the save option. So again, the Jobber's calendar makes it easy to see your daily, weekly, or monthly schedule so you can avoid double bookings. And of course, you can track the job progress. So when the cleaning appointment begins, you can update the job status inside the Jobber. So for example, you can mark it as schedule, in progress, completed. So yeah, this helps you and your team stay updated on every job. The next one is to send your invoices and get paid. So after completing the cleaning service, just have to create an invoice. So just simply tap on the invoice section. That's right. So here you just have to review the details and then send it to your client. So I'm just going to create a new one. That's right. So you just have to review the details and send it to your client. And if you've enabled the online payments, your clients can pay directly through the invoice, making the payment process much faster and easier. And finally, use the Jobber's reporting tools to monitor your business. All right, so let's go to the report section. All right, so just go to the reports. So here you can review the revenue, completed jobs, outstanding invoices, and the client's activity. So these reports help you understand how your cleaning business is performing and identify areas for improvement. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.